Hays CISD family, and welcome to this edition of Right This Minute. Today we are shooting from Dahlstrom Middle School, and we are going to honor Carla Bandy with a coin of excellence. We'll surprise her in just a few minutes. We are also going to highlight the air purifiers that are being installed throughout the district, and then I'm going to close with a Christmas message for you all. And so let's go surprise Ms. Bandy. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, sorry, y'all are working hard and you're so quiet. I hate to interrupt, but I've got great news. Ms. Bandy is our Showcase Employee of the Week, and I am so excited to be able to present her with the coin of excellence. So congratulations. And surprise.
And, yes, very big surprise.
Absolutely. And so you were nominated by Ms. Ginn, and Ms. Ginn would love to say a few words about you and why she nominated you. And so, ladies and gentlemen, Deidre Ginn, principal of Dahlstrom Middle School.
Hello, I'm so excited to get to honor Miss Bandy and all of her kiddos today. They go above and beyond all the time to help do great things for Dahlstrom and for our community. And so Miss Bandy and her classes have painted murals all over our building because we're under construction. It's a little bit of a hot mess, but they've made it absolutely beautiful. She helps with parades. They did a backdrop to support our choir program. Anything and everything you can think of starts with our art program. So Ms. Bandy, thank you so much for all that you do for us and for our community.
Thank you. Thank you. And thank you, my art people. They're the real stars, the students. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ginn.
All right, next I wanted to point out that our technology department and our maintenance department have been busy installing air purifiers across the district. We have completely installed the purifiers at Tobias Elementary School and at Dahlstrom Middle School, and this is an example of what the purifiers look like. They don't take up much space, they don't make much noise, and we're very hopeful that they are going to be able to kill all of the viruses and bacteria that are in the air and add for a quality environment in which our kids can learn. And so big, huge thanks goes out to our technology department and maintenance department. Look for those to be coming soon to a campus or department near you. It's hard to believe that 2021 is coming to a close, but it is, and I think a lot of us are glad that it is. We're ready for a break. So in conclusion, I want to wish each team member of Hays CISD I hope just a wonderful Christmas. I hope that you enjoy spending some time with your family and your friends. I hope that you find kindness and joy and peace and love, and wish you a Merry Christmas and hope you have a Happy New Year.